Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare to WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare to your WordPress site, start by signing up for a Cloudflare account at cloudflare.com. Once registered, log in to your Cloudflare account. Click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website URL and click Add Site. Cloudflare will then scan your domain's DNS records. Review the DNS records and ensure they are accurate. Select a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs, starting with the free option if preferred. Confirm your selection and proceed to the next step. Cloudflare will provide you with name servers to update. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the domain management section and find the option to change name servers. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save your changes and allow some time for the changes to propagate. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and click on the Crypto tab. Enable SSL by selecting the flexible or full option based on your server configuration. Next, navigate to the Caching tab. Set the caching level to your preference. Optionally, adjust the page rules for more specific caching if needed. Now, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Install the Cloudflare plugin by navigating to the Plugins section. Search for Cloudflare and click Install Now. Activate the Cloudflare plugin after installation. Access the plugin settings from your WordPress dashboard. Enter your Cloudflare API key, which can be found in your Cloudflare account settings. Save the settings to establish the connection between Cloudflare and your WordPress site. Verify the integration by visiting your website and checking if it's being served through Cloudflare. Perform a few speed tests to see the improvements Cloudflare offers. Regularly monitor your Cloudflare dashboard for security settings and performance enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.